This is either going to be a pizza dough or a pide dough. I'll let you know as I progress. I'm torn between making any one of these dishes, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do right now. So I got a tablespoon of yeast, active yeast. I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar, and I'm going to add some half cup of warm water, not hot but slightly lukewarm water, so that we can activate our yeast. Half cup of water, that is warm water, and let my yeast rest for about 5 minutes. Now to my 2 cups of flour I added 1 egg, and I am going to add about 3/4 teaspoons of salt, a tablespoon of olive oil, and now I'll mix everything together including my yeast mixture. It looks like my dough needs a little more fluid, so I'm going to add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of warm milk to it to incorporate the dough and make a pizza-like dough. Not a very soft, but a medium textured dough. So in went 2 tablespoons of milk, and I will add another tablespoon of milk, so 3 tablespoons. So if you can see, I smeared my dough with some oil, and I let it sit for about an hour or 2, at least 1.5 hours. And then in between I'll come back and give it a punch. The dough is resting, and I have decided we are going pide. So first one is going to be a non-veg pide, and for that I have a tablespoon of olive oil in 1 medium-sized onion, which are sauteed till it gets light pink. In the filling, I will infuse it with some Indian spices for the pide. So it'll be a fusion pide, and I'll make 1 vegetarian pide and 1 non-veg. So in the onions, I've added a tablespoon of garlic paste. I crushed 2 green chilies and a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, a tablespoon of ginger paste, and I crushed 2 green chilies. So I continue sauteing the onions till they're slight baked. Half teaspoon of olive oil, because the mixture looks a lot drier. So we'll wait for the onions to get slight pink, and then we start adding other things. Once the onion becomes slight pink, start adding the tomato paste. And I blended some tomato which I'm going to add. So I added 1 frozen blended tomato and about 1 or 2 about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You could use tomato sauce if that's what you have at home. So also I added a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of paprika, and half teaspoon of turmeric. Once the oil has separated, the sauce is melted in the lightly color. I'm going to add my keema, and I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of keema. You can use chicken keema, you can use lamb, you can use mutton, whatever keema you prefer. 1.5 cups of keema, which is about half a pound of keema. 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 1/2 teaspoon of jeera powder. The dough has been resting for an hour, and now I am going to punch it down and let it rest for another 30 minutes before I start working on it. Rise for 1 more time, and I will smear some oil on the surface so that it doesn't dry out. I'll increase the salt by 1 or 2 pinches. And this is what the keema looks like. We keep breaking it as we're cooking so it doesn't form lumps. And once again, you can use any keema that you like. So towards the last 5-10 minutes, I'm adding some black peppers to add some color, and I have some red and some green one. And I've added like about a quarter to a half bell pepper that's been diced. There you go, I've added the bell peppers, and so I'm going to dry roast the keema for another 5 to 10 minutes until it looks nice and dry. Now nice and ready, and I switched it off, and I will use it when it's cool on my bread, making a vegetarian version of it. Now this version might be closer to the pizza version, and that's fine. So I've got half an onion and 1 tablespoon of garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil. I'll saute it. Blending 1.5 tomatoes and 1 green chili with some green peppers or capsicum, like about half a green peppers, and then my tomatoes, the green chilies, and all that will be nicely good. So once the onions are slightly gold, I'll start adding the tomatoes. Cool those with the tomato sauce, and now we'll start adding the sauce. About 3/4 teaspoons of salt, 3/4 teaspoons of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. And do everything mix, and let this sauce thicken up. Water, teaspoon of oregano. So when you cook this sauce till the oil separates and the soy sauce thickens up. So this is what this sauce looks like. I'll thicken it a little more and then I'll stop. Cook it for another 5 minutes or so. And the same sauce can be used for pizza. The vegetarian version is a pizza fusion of a pizza. The oil is separating at this point. I will stop.
Toppings for pizza, is that what it's called? Pizza, I'm not sure.
Not pizza, pide.
Pide, yeah. So we first have olives chopped into 4ths. We got 1/4 of onion, 1/4 of pepper, 1/4 mushrooms, all chopped in. And then we got these jalapenos. They're really nice. These ones are like hot and sweet. Those are nice in them. And they're hot, yeah. And they're really nice. These are all nice. So these are our toppings.
Looks like on the second rice. And now we are going to divide it into dough balls here to help me in the kitchen. And she's going to bake the oven at, preheat the oven at 400 Fahrenheit. Can you say hi?
Hola.
And divide it into 2 so that it is manageable, and then we will further divide it into 2 each. What the dough looks like, and it involves a lot of hand stretching, not a lot of rolling. So you can stretch it and shape it in the shape of a long oval. This is Medina, who is making her version of an oval. So here's my second oval, and I have Medina who's done shapes and circles, and she's going to down with this, right? And she probably is going to make pizzas, right?
Yeah.
Okay, she's
Like-
gonna make pizzas with all this. So any extra dough I have, she's also busy doing her own projects, right? Okay. 2 ovals here, and the rest of the dough is being used by Medina to make her own pretty circle and star shape. These ones on a bigger tray with the keema. What it looks like, and now I will begin folding it. I still have some extra keema leftover mixture, and so we can use it for the mini pizzas. Folding it gently from the sides, almost rolling it twice. And when we come to the end, we wait, and then we do the same thing on the other side. And then when we come to the end, is where we form like a triangle. There we go. And we neatly tuck things in like that. Okay, we'll shape it a little. Twisting the dough, and this is what it looks like. I'll carry on doing the same to the other one. The pizzas look like. And now, if you want, you can crack an egg. And I won't do the cracking of the egg. You can crack an egg in the middle and let it bake, but I choose not to do that. So here are the mini pizzas in the making. Sauce, Vegetarian pizzas that have everything that a pizza may have. So I had the sauce put in, the tomato sauce, and I put the vegetable. Okay, I've vegetarian pizza. I've added the thin onion strips and thin pepper strips. Some olives here that have been quartered by my little one. Okay, we have our olives there. So add some mushrooms here. We don't want to overstuff them, just thin layers of vegetables. This look like. And now I do exactly what I did to the keema pita. Start folding the sides and tuck them out in the corner. This is what my vegetarian pizzas look like. Now I'm now going to brush them with egg, and you can do an egg wash if you want, a brown color. I'm just not going to use any egg today. Okay. They're now ready to be layered with some cheese. These look like. I'm gonna put some cheese on it. These are the non-veg pizzas, and then I have my little daughter's little mini pizza here. These created by a little chef. All these pizzas and mini pizzas in the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and then I did briefly remove my pizzas and pizzas to add the jalapenos for a kick. This is what the pizzas look like. These are the keema pizzas. Like, share, and subscribe. See you later. And I have removed them after 20 minutes, but the bread seems completely ready. I'm going to let it cool down for now, and right about iftar time, 4 or 5 minutes before iftar time, I'm going to reheat them and serve.